The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, you don't know this is the Dancehall. Now, right about now, we're going to take a look at how properly we grill our homes, right? Because I have a video where I'm going to leave with where a man break and enter into a house just for a power tool, right? And in break into that house, despite the fact that that home is grilled. The house was grilled, right? But he didn't even know said there was a surveillance camera catching him, you see me? Because he was caught on surveillance, right? Now, this video I'm gonna show you, you know, say me just say it's about breaking and entering, and not everyone really and truly might like those kind of things. So I have to make sure I want to know that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, right? Look at the video and tell me what you think about something like this that has been done, alright? And as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, alright? Leave your comments, let me know what you think, alright? Observe. I'm gonna go up some of my viewers and subscribers, them look and notice the grill bend way. That means to say the grill they have a little loose part. These things you have to make sure say you do properly when you grill in a place. Make sure say you don't make this kind of a mistake. You understand? I'm going to learn from this video what not to do to protect yourself from burglary. You see me? Yeah man, protect yourself from things like these. Don't make people, don't make them type of things that happen to you. You see me I say? And don't put the grill too wide for the axe can go through. Put it close to make sure say, yeah man, protect yourself from burglary. Cause look at this.